Today we have to study about the matrix. So matrix is a rectangular array of number arranged by rows. It means horizontal lines and columns means vertical lines. Simply we can say that arrangements of number within the closed brackets, like as A, B, C, D, E, F. The arrangements of number within the closed brackets arrangements of number within the closed brackets. Here this is A, B, C, D, E, F are the numbers of matrix, and this is containing 2 rows and 3 columns. This first row is A, B, C. This is the row 1, and D, E, F the row 2, and A, B like as column wise vertically called the column 1, the column 2, and column 3. So the matrix having 2 number of rows and 3 number of columns. The order of this matrix is 2 by 3. The first subscript is known as rows and the second subscript is known as columns. So the matrix is 2 by 3 orders, and A, B, C are known as the elements of the matrix. If the matrix having A with the matrix having m number of rows and n number of columns, then the general representation of matrix A is the general representations of matrix is like A11, A12, A13 up to A1n. Similarly, the second row is A21, A22, A23 up to A2n. And the third row is A31, A32, A33 up to A3n. The nth row is AM1, AM2, AM3 up to AMN. So the matrix is mth order of rows. This is the row 1, row 2, row 3 up to row n. And the vertical lines are known as columns. So this is the column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3 up to column n. So the order of the matrix is m by n. M by n. This matrix having m number of rows and n number of columns. So the matrix is m by n orders. And its elements are like as and its elements are like as Aij. Aij means I lies between 1 to m and j lies between 1 to n. I means respective row and j means respective columns. I means respective rows and j means respective columns. So the elements of the matrix is A11, A12, A13 up to A1n. That means this matrix is A11 means first row and first columns. A12 means first row, second columns. A13 means first row, third column. Similarly, last element is first row and nth columns. Similarly, the elements are written in the m by n order matrix. Now, taking examples of matrix like a matrix equal to 1, 4, 8, 2, 9, 7. And the question will be, what is the positions of matrix A2, 3? A2, 3 is the element is 7. Due to the question will be asked second row and third column. The second row is this is second row, this is first row. And the third columns, that means this is the column 1, this is column 2 and this is column 3. So A23 is 7. Similarly, A22 is second row and second column. The second row and second column is 9. This is the examples of general representations of matrix. Now we can study about the types of matrix. First is row matrix. A matrix having single rows known as row matrix. That means matrix having single row and more columns is known as row matrix. That is like as A, B, C, D. This is the examples of row matrix and the element is A, B, C, D. Here the matrix is only one row and four columns. This is the column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. So the order of this matrix is 1 by 4. Now to study the column matrix. If the matrix having single columns and more rows known as column matrix. The matrix having single columns and more rows known as column matrix. It means a matrix is like as 1, 2, 3, 8. The matrix is written in single columns but 4 rows like as R1, R2, R3 and R4, and like as column 1. So the order of this matrix is 4 by 1. Matrix having 1 columns but more rows like as 1, 2, 3, 4. Another example is A, B, D. This is the examples of column matrix, and A is the first row, B with the second row, D with the third row. This is the column 1. The order of this matrix is 3 by 1. Now to study the rectangular matrix. The rectangular matrix like is a rectangle shape with the number of rows not equal to number of columns known as the rectangular matrix. Number of rows not equal to rectangular matrix. If the matrix having number of rows not equal to number of columns is known as rectangular matrix. We have to taking an examples of rectangular matrix. A is a rectangular matrix, then number of rows not equal to, addition is number of rows not equal to number of columns. That means rows not equal to columns. So 1, 3, 4, 2, 8, 7. This is the examples of rectangular matrix where rows is 2, row 1, row 2, and column is 3, column 1, column 2, and column 3. So this is the examples of rectangular matrix having order is 2 by 3. Similarly, we can study the square matrix. Square matrix as well as like the rectangular matrix. Here the square means length and breadth are same. So if the number of rows equal to number of columns, means the matrix having number of rows equal to number of columns. Number of rows equal to number of columns, that means this is the square matrix. So A, B, C, D. This is the examples of square matrix. Here the matrix having two rows, row 1 and row 2, and column 2, two columns, like column 1 and column 2. The order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Now to study the scalar matrix, diagonal matrix. All the square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if the other than diagonal elements, all the elements are 0 of the matrix. Taking in examples of diagonal matrix, then we can write down the definitions of diagonal matrix. Like it's a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the matrix of order 3 by 3. And what is the diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix means only diagonal elements are written. Only diagonal elements are written and other elements of the matrix is zeros. That is 2, 3. This is the 0. So this matrix, the square matrix and diagonal matrix means other than diagonal elements. Other than diagonal elements, or the elements of the matrix is 0. This diagonal is known as principal diagonal or leading diagonal. So in the diagonal matrix is also a square matrix and only the diagonal elements are written. Other than diagonal elements are all the matrix of the matrix is zeros. So now write down the definitions of diagonal matrix. The square matrix, a square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if other than principal diagonal, if other than principal diagonal, all elements of the matrix is 0. This is the examples of diagonal matrix. This is the 3 by 3 order matrix, also a square matrix. In the diagonal, except diagonal elements, all the elements of the matrix is zeros. So this matrix is known as diagonal matrix. Also, again examples of A 0 0, 0 B 0, 0 0 C. This is also examples of diagonal matrix of order 3 by 3. Also A0 and 0B. Also the diagonal matrix of order 2 by 2. Now we can study the scalar matrix. diagonal matrix रे कोण होची ना diagonal elements are present only, but in the scalar matrix diagonal elements are present but diagonal elements are same. Diagonal elements are present but diagonal elements are same, then the matrix is known as scalar matrix. That means first we can write down the examples of scalar matrix is A matrix equal to 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5 of order is 3 by 3 3 by 3 and the diagonal elements are always same. If the diagonal elements are always same, then the matrix is known as scalar matrix. Matrices are known as scalar matrix. Similarly, in examples of another examples, A 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 A. This is also an examples of scalar matrix of order 3.